The IBM X3550M4 server is proof that big things do come in small packages. You get the ultimate balance of performance, density, flexibility, and cost efficiency to accelerate the future of your business. It's the high-density 2-socket 1U rack x86 server that's built to handle your growing data-dense, business-critical application workloads with plenty of room for expansion. When your IT budget is limited, but compromise is not an option, the X3550M4 is the right choice. It's an affordable, pay-as-you-grow server solution with more computing power per watt, advanced memory support, and perfectly balanced performance and density. And with support for up to 2 Intel Xeon E5 2600 product family processors, these solutions meet your business computing challenges, providing a business-critical platform with up to 80% more performance over previous generation servers. And because it's a System X business solution, the X3550M4 gives you leading-edge technology choices, like 10 gigabit Ethernet to take advantage of the latest cloud and virtualization technologies, providing a perfect foundation for cloud deployments. When you need a resilient solution for business-critical applications, the X3550M4 delivers. Avoid unplanned downtime with industry-leading high availability features such as predictive failure analysis, redundancy, and disk mirroring capabilities. The combination of performance, memory capacity, and density make the System X3550M4 an ideal server for high-performance business-critical workloads and virtualization. Stop looking for the ideal x86 rack server solution. It's right here, in the perfect balance of performance and density of the X3550M4. Contact your local IBM salesperson or business partner, or visit us online at ibm.com to learn more.